welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of the unboxing of the Elmer's color changing slime kit. So let's get started. So first I poured out a whole bottle of the blue color changing glue. Then I got my snow powder from another slime kit that I had, and I poured it in with the glue, and then I added some activator. And I think you can get snow powder in Amazon or Walmart. But anyways, you pour 6 teaspoons of water inside the mixture and you mix it up, and as you can see, it starts forming, but it's not formed yet. So you have to add a little more activator. So I'm gonna add a little more activator in just a bit. Since the slime was kind of already formed and I now just added more activator, I'm going in with my hands. Look at that slime, it's still color changing. So the snow powder had no effect on the color changing ability. And this slime is pretty cool in texture. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.